Place is an everyday word and a key term within the study of geography. Place can be seen as a definite location on a map, or it may refer to the description of the human and physical characteristics of a particular location. Place differs to the abstract notion of space because places have meaning to people. Space becomes place as we get to know it better. For many, the most familiar example of place is their home, as it is where they feel most attached and can be themselves. Place is more than just location, however, and academic geographers increasingly discuss the different aspects of place, the so-called multidimensionality of place. This may include subjective aspects such as emotional responses to place, or film, photography, art and media representations of place. The Nobel Peace Prize winner Malala Yousafzai conveys an emotional response to place when she compares life in Birmingham to that of her homeland of the Swat Valley in Pakistan. When I stand in front of my window and look out, I see tall buildings, long roads full of vehicles moving in orderly lines, neat green hedges and lawns and tidy pavements to walk on. I close my eyes and for a moment I am back in my valley, the high snow-topped mountains, green waving elds and fresh blue rivers, and my heart smiles when it looks at the people of Swat. Prologue, I am Malala, 2013. Malala refers to two contrasting places above. As part of this topic you will be expected to investigate two places, one local and one distant. As geographers, we traditionally focus on the description of place and its locality using maps and statistics, but a more accurate reading and writing of a place must also include experience of place, whether through direct interaction or indirect representation.